Hello lovely people, hope you all are doing very good. I am also doing very good, and today I am going to show you an editing tutorial about the picture I showed in my thumbnail. So I did a Instagram poll. You guys wanted to see the video editing tutorial, so that's all for you. And one more thing, I am this close to 1000 subscribers, and hopefully when I post this video I reach to 1000 subscriber. But if you don't, please do subscribe to my channel and help me reach my first 1000 subscribers. I am really very thankful to you guys. I know it's very little to other people, 1000 subscribers, but for me that's huge because 1000 people are liking me. That's really huge. So please do subscribe to my channel, okay? And enjoy the video. Let's get started. First, I'm going to select my picture and start editing. All of the editing details will be given at the description box below. Please check the description box for the details measurement of the editing. Okay, enjoy.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
So I was having a bad hair day. That's why I have to fix my hair, and I like to curl my hair with editing or without editing. So in this app that is PicSart, I'm going to smoothen the picture and edit my hair. So let's see.
Take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video and the video was helpful for you to creating presets and editing videos, please comment down below that this was helpful. And if you like the video, do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that's all for today. Meet you till the next video. Allah Hafiz.
My siblings are perfect and I wish